Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here. On this channel I teach you sewing tutorial, pattern drafting, art and craft, DIYs and many more. So if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel to be part of this amazing family. And also don't forget to turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new tutorial so that you don't miss it out. So today's tutorial is going to be on how to make this luxury 3D applique, which is very nice. You can design on your corset, your dress, any of your outfits, and it gives it that elegant beauty to your dress. So guys, if this is what you like to learn, please don't skip on this video. Watch it to the end so that you can learn something. Thank you. So let's get right into the video. So to make this 3D applique design, you will need your hemming gun. You see how I look? You need your cap chain. You know the cap chains have different sizes. This one look a bit smaller because I'm short of the big sizes. This one is, I think, 5 mm. And I'm using this white organza fabric for this tutorial. And you need your copper wire. You see, you can use any size that you prefer. And this one I'm using is 0.5 mm. Then I have my fabric scissors, my paper scissors, my cutter for the wire. I have my UHU glue. I like using this glue instead of using the hot glue because the hot glue can mess up your design or your work. So this is it. And I have the pattern paper which I'm going to use to trace the petal design for this project. This tape, you may ask why I added it. I'm going to use it to trace out the design because I need this size. And I have my pencil for this, and then I have my hand fan. The hand fan, I'm going to use it to dry the chain and the wire so that it dry faster than waiting for it to dry before I continue with the job. So I'll use my hand fan. So let's get right into the video. So let's put everything aside and first of all draw the design we want. You can create any design. You can draw any design of your choice. So you see the flower design or the petal design you see on the screen. So I'm going to use this masking tape size to draw a round shape like so. And then after this round shape, I want the shape to be like this. You can use your free hand to even draw this round shape. And when cutting, I'll reduce the round shape a little bit, not too much. So let's cut the design out. And you see that you can even draw a heart shape, you can draw a leaf shape, any shape of design you want. So I'll put the design aside and then get my fabric and cut out the amounts I want for this project. I need about 5 pieces of the design. So I'm going to cut out just a little piece of this organza because I think I have less than 1 meter here. I'm going to be cutting this into 2. By the way, I'm not going to use all, I'm just going to use parts. So I put one aside. What I'm going to do now is to lay the organza on the table and then take my hemming gun. So now, as you can see, I'm going to lay my hemming guns on top like so. You lay each closer to the other, as you can see me doing here. So I'm going to finish it off camera so that I will not make this video long. So guys, as you can see, I'm done laying the hemming gun on the organza. So what I'll do now is to use this side to cover the hemming gun like so. Or what you can do is to cut the organza into 2. Then I'll lay it on top of the hemming gun. And then place another fabric on top, spray it with water, and then iron it. Then the next thing to do is to take another piece of fabric. You can wet it. Why we wet it is to help the hemming gun to stick well to the fabric. And then I've already preheated the iron, so I'm going to press it on it and iron it, so that hemming gum will stick in between the two fabric. You see how structured it look with the hemming gum in between. So the next thing to do is to take the design that I cut out and place it on top to cut 5 pieces of this design. 5 pieces. So I'm going to place the design I cut down on top of the fabric like so. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 5 pieces of this. You can cut any amount you want for your clothes to design your outfits, but because this is just for illustration, I'm cutting 5 pieces. So as you can see, I have finished ironing the hemming gown and I finished cutting it out. So the next thing to do is to take my wire and then I'll measure around the design like this and then cut the wire. So I have my glue here. I have my hand fan to blow it dry. You place it along the edges of the design. So guys, I'm done gluing down the wire. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to place again the hemming gum on top of all the designs, and then after I will place the organza fabric on top and iron it out so that the wire will stick to the fabric well. So let me do just that. Okay guys, I'm done laying the hemming gum on each of the design. So what I'm going to do now is to place another fabric on top like this. This organza fabric, yes. I place it on top like this. Then I'll go ahead and place this fabric, which is a wet fabric. So now you place your steam iron on it. Now you leave it a little bit to cool. Then you take it out, take the fabric out like so. So guys, you see? So what I'll do now is to trim all the excess fabric out. You trim it off carefully so that you don't cut the wire out. So after trimming the excess off, this is how our petals look like. Our design, you see? It's already having the structure you want. So this is it. So the next thing to do now is to embellish all the 5 petals. So I'm going to use this cap chain. This is 5 mm. We have bigger one than this, like 8 mm, 10 mm, depend on the size you want. I'm going to use this glue to glue the cap chain around the design, like so. I will glue it along the edges. And when you get to the end, you cut off the chain and then glue the edge down properly. You see how beautiful it's looking. Look at how it glitters. You see, and you can also decide to add rhinestones in the middle to give it another look. But this is perfect. So I'm done with this one. I'll leave it down to dry and I'll go ahead and also decorate all the edges of these remaining 4 pieces with the cap chain and come back and show you the finishing look. So guys, this is it. I'm done gluing the cap chain on the design. So this is how it look. You see the wire is not showing much, and in the front the wire is not showing. So what I'm going to do now is, as you see it on your screen, you see how the design is. I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to hold it with needle and thread to stay firm. You can also glue it, but I prefer to hand stitch it down so that it will not loose or come out when wearing it. Then I take the second piece, fold it like this in the middle. So I place the second one on top like so, and then stitch it. So I'm going to add the last one on this side. So guys, you see how I look? Very beautiful. And then you can fix it how you want it to be, and also you can use it for your headband. So this is it. These are 3D. You can fold it anyhow you want because of the wire inside. So I want to use one of these stones to put in the middle so that it will look nice. You see, I can put this if I want. I prefer the bigger one, I think. You can also glue this stone on top, but I prefer when you stitch it stay longer than gluing it, because the glue can come out and the stone will fall off. So it's better you stitch it down with your hand. So guys, this is our luxury 3D applique. So you can twist it because I have wire. You can twist the design as you want. So guys, this is how our luxury 3D applique look like. Very beautiful and very nice. So I'll be placing it on my mannequin to see how beautiful it comes out. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Also share my videos, comment down the comment section below, and if you have anything for me to do to work on, you can leave it down the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't miss out on my next video. Bye. I love you. Bye.